Number one, Mthimbani, I don't know kumana ngadyondzisa Mthimbani xilungu. I mean, could be xilungu. So va swi komba Mthimbani na could be xikolo a va xi tivi. I may like you. Like, Mhayivava jaro flying bacha danuna city. Oh, even I'm gonna that channel that matters.
Ni live ka interview ya Mhayivava se unlock ngiprovela ku ayithikananga inkomo ndabuyela hansi.
Mhayivava
vavhakachesi vamwe vatsaka vakoye kuti mathosi kirikiriki
jaro kula imbacha danun a xi yi tivi
mina tala hi mina like that's fair vote
walava a wu lava
it doesn't midan khomela na yo andri ku recording se van phone elmeleswa swa ku loko se van disturb ni fane ni tlheni edita ne a ni swi lavi leswi yena la swilo swi fambisa leswi faneleke swi fambisa xiswona man twisisa. First and foremost, I want to appreciate lava nga subscribe ani endla xihoxo those subscribers na mi khensa swinene mi n'wina mi nga endla ndyangu lowukula. Like this community is because of the subscribers only. That's a fun fact, because even if you have 1 million views, but if you have 1,000 subscribers, people won't take you serious. But if you say I have 17,000 followers or subscribers, people, your community is big. So big shout out to my subscribers for that. If you haven't subscribed, it's for the first time in a year or 2 years now, saying please subscribe to my channel. Road to 20k by the end of June. My birthday is towards the end of June, so we should be there. We should be there 20k. Mhayivava jaro kula imbacha danuna city. Oh, yimani amgelaka the channel that matters. Namkuhlwan wasis. The channel that matters the most. Ambo kwata. Walava awlavi. It has a yawen yimani amgelaka the only channel that matters to watch. Out your way out. Yeah. Right straight to it, not that react like album, yeah, could be. Check out my story. It dropped on Monday 7 p.m. I think on 18 March. Long awaited one. Please check it out. It's a boring story, by the way. So I know already. So, but please check it out. Please like each and every video that I post, starting from this one. Please, even if you're not a subscriber, just hit the like button so you help me to grow my platform and you help these videos to grow and gives me the energy to do more of these videos. Let's go to album. Yeah, could be Nyimpis, well titled, well covered. I came out to criticize the cover because it was stolen from the idea was stolen from 50 Cent in one of my episodes. So I spoke about that and I saw it changing. Not my direct influence, but it's so good. It was cut, man. It was pop. And a cover builds the mood. It tells you, it gives you the content of the album before it's out. And there are many couple of songs that are good. So big shout out to Kubi for his consistency. Leswaku ntirho wa swi kota ku tirha u nga yimi. Loko a famba hi level 5, you are always on a level 5 mode. You don't give up. So big shout out to him for that. And mina nungibela maboko. He has a couple of good songs, man. Even though the others, the thing is, I hear some people. Kuna mizonga vari Carlos man ka Facebook. He was busy commenting on all my posts. He says, yo go. Tell him to fuck up. I'm not his friend. Like I'm not his friend. You know, some people comment on Facebook as if you spoke on WhatsApp, like they're your friend. Fuck that shit. I'm not your friend. Mina wetlanganisa a video and say anichomia wena. So listening to album could be my favorite song. Iku ilera shine hlamureni. And why kuva ku ri leri I mhaka ya tinqambi to tala ni loko ti la ku khensa vanhu ti endla leswa swa va so leswaku Pitbull tindzwana ta mina futhi hayi leswiya mani. Wa vona munhu loko a lava ku khensa vaseketeri i va khensa directly, hayi leswaku leswi a mbyana ya mina kumbe vamakwerhu wa mina. Who else loves to think? Ku fana swi tshama swi endla Hisa wa Tiko ka risimu rin'wana ra ku ni Dankie vaseketeri va mina, you mention them directly as if wa va khensa, like wa va khensa. Who else? Se I see Magavin did that even with me. Ni khensa Mhayivava Jaru kula imbali. That was a direct though. But most of the artists nkambi to tala ne va endla leswaku va lava ku khensa tinqambi va ti khensa va khensa ti sponsors or ti fans ta va ti khensa in a simple way. But for Colby to say Xikwembu a xi nyiketi hi voko, xi na tintsumi misaveni. Va man va STF I think is a business, STF Pictures. Va Mavona Khosa, va Swimanyimanyi and all of those people that like it didn't tsumi ta yena I leti Xikwembu xi nga n'wi tisela xona. So the technical ability to come up with such a concept when you're in the studio and say you va regard as tintsumi leti nga rhumiwa hi Xikwembu I mihleketo ya kahle ngopfu by Colby yale. So album generally it's a good album, even though it had old songs which were released as singles as time goes by. Don't be misled by the views that he puts on YouTube. They are not realistically of the album, but they are of the album because one of the songs or one of the music video ina 30,000 views. So ita va hlanganisa kwala ku ina 100,000 views in a day ku ikatsana swilo leswa swa khale leswi nga swi humesiwe 3-8 months ago. Yeah, but album content wise, the guy is content. The guy shifted from doing love music only. Bella others a car I love you. I'm a Mr. Baba Bam Tingo. Tovani Menanga Gutak. I Fatlaza Malia Machangani. There's someone who commented, I must not say something bad about Mr. Bab. Fuck the hell out of him. I always say good or bad things about artists. If they do good, they did well. I would say so. Number one, Mthimbani. I don't know kumana ngadyondzisa Mthimbani xilungu. I mean Colby xilungu. Swo va swi to komba ku Mthimbani na Colby xikolo a va xi tivi. I may like you. Like that was a mess. Like it's embarrassing. And for the problem, I don't know who Tiba doesn't know English as well. But the problem is like if Mthimbani anga xi tivi xilungu anga ta swi identify ku na problem. And mind you, the similar are endlong studio war two. Let's go end on Sandra Mthimbani. Okay, yes, my hook. Here's my verse, please do your verse. Here's the theme of the song. So they did that, but all of this, they never noticed this problem. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. If album master Mapel was the one mastering or he master you could, it's embarrassing. Please try to get a third even Varman this one. Kenais does that. I won't mention the people that he does that with, but I know because his latest project, that was one of them. I listened to the album multiple times and then put my commentary before it was released, before it was sold to the people. So you get to that, you eliminate those simple mistakes. I'm like you. So you say, just I'm lucky to have you. I'm a lucky person. I'm like you. Another thing is that Mthimbani and Colby song is a mess. It's a miss. It's a missed opportunity. So the dopest or the greatest song they would have done was to try to reconcile their differences in a song and be like, we fucked up a lot. We never know unity is power. Have we known it long time ago? We should have united to grow this community and whatsoever. Like imagine Mthimbani rapping about that. Like if we knew unity is power, we should be far by now. Instead of we rukatelan. So this song is made out of pretense, like it's a love song. It doesn't dwell much because we know Mthimbani and Colby, especially how Mthimbani and Rukatela Colby son. But Mthimbani wapenga, but I'm still a fan. So in my own opinion, I feel like that's a miss. They should have done like an emotional addressing song. He addresses people so the differences, show people that doesn't matter how much you fought you can always reconcile and speak. Even if they spoke in the background, we don't know about their background issues. We wanted to imagine a song. Imagine that song emerging, and it covers that whole room. People, like I'm telling you, it was gonna be one of the dopest song. Again, Refila Boy did a human a very good verse. And the one thing about Kulbi that you must know about Kulbi, his ability to identify the art that he wants. Look, if feature I think it's a man's ungayo ya feature Sonu Makam, olava ayavulavula ku that's not his style, that's not his art. Invite an artist because of his artwork. If you know Mthimbani is a rapper, like Thembanyat, he wants Mthimbani to his Delator because he knows he's going to rap. He wants a rapping verse. And you don't invite a name, invite a skill, feature a skill, pay for a skill. Do you understand what I mean? Man twisisa now. Mean twisisa kahle no. You right? So Refila Boy's verse was very short, man. Was very short. Content-wise, spot on, but it was very short. And it changed the way but in the Ranza Masai, you would have put something. And Boris Bash put case as was doing it. The Ranza Masai Ranza. So I think that verse is very short, and for me, shouldn't boring. Like for me, shouldn't boring for such, because I was expecting to enjoy that verse, like, and he closed it properly. But if I look at it, look all the extended. Let's say I been because I'm like obviously powerful, but it was short. Or so ubanyanaka ubakangwe uhanta diba lo ukwavuya usuza kwazi lava mara ashavumeli. And when king you want to hear more of his voice, but anyways, Yaka Hisa if he doesn't get himself out. Let me give an example. Majojo loka kufana Zulumakam. So Majojo doesn't live outside Zulumakam. Then komela namkhohlwa shem, like news and first talent zontayenza mntwana simunona ngaruyas uyawufanga. Hisa angangunumuntu lokasona kuyimbelela. His latest release song, Lianga release, Nabla Yoga, one of the episodes, I think episode number 25, not 26. Go Ilogunumutin, 24, Igu Ilogunumutin, and it's song Iskumaka could be, and could be Van Ranzala Kunumuta. And if Isawatu are continuing, you will get swallowed by could be. People will think that's could be, because if you don't know both of them, we only know could be, you might not even tell could be was Isawatu who was featured in this song. If could be didn't say it. And this is Ntateshulungu ka video. Marasna mark. Last one, Dankie nkata, based on someone's true story. So my advice to could be never write such nonsensical things based on someone's true story. Why? Because in your fans, they don't want paid music. What is paid music? Ileswaku ufika uhakela bini mayangani ukuni billing ngoma hi mani without ngega yo. And this is Dankie nkata probably could be was paid to make that song to for the guy or for the woman. Yeah, let's say, let me put it in vague like that. Go yeah, well, Kerwin could be and that similar go ata honor yeah. And this and okay, you pay me money and then I do a video. And this is, even though I refuse to do that as of now. But when you got 20,000, level 20,000 is finding and upload that on was informal. I mean, you must protect this artwork, because if you do a song based on someone's story, that story might not touch lives, and it might lack creativity, because you are trying to put it into, you are trying to, like, if I iva kwalantsena kwala ka ndyangu waluya wabo ayifanelanga uyihuma. So the experiences yevana atifani. Think about the fana grouply, so okay, many experiences now experience are not all of us. So my advice could be, don't write such nonsensical things, because people lose touch of the song. Even if the song was made properly, they are going to lose touch of the song. Why? Ulo akeriwe ku honora couple liya kun'wanuna luya a ta ni nga nsati wa baby ngoma leyi ni yi endle hikwalaho ka wena. Loko a ko va ku ri so la ta ti xi mention na mavito ya n'wina ti-couple ti a ni vhela a ku na ngoma leyi nga ta hela xi nga mention vito ra munhu. I Mhayivava jaha ro kula Mpacha Danuna City. Big shout out to God. Be a very good project. I think is being consistent. He's a good artist. You get more gigs than many of your favorite artists. Gaza. It doesn't matter how much he charges. He knows his value. So big shout out to him. I wish this project helps him to grow. I cool Gaza. Love y'all. Loko u ri na ximbilwambilwani sorry ka wena u ta ze ku boha.